Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download and install any HP printer drivers, HP printer software installation guide. Here, let's open up our browser and head to hp.com. And once you're here, let's scroll to the very bottom and click on download drivers right here at the middle part of the page. Once you're here, select your country or region, and once you have done that, click on printer right here. Now we are going to enter the product number, serial number, or product name of your printer, for example, like that. Once you have entered it, select the printer name. And first, we're going to make sure that you have chosen the correct operating system. If you want to change that, just click on choose a different OS, and you can change the operating system right here as well as the version. So once you have done that, you can then scroll through right here and we can select our software and drivers below. So let's open this up, driver issues and driver product installation software. And once you have found your driver, just click on download right here and you should be able to download a file and run that file, and you can then download the driver and just click on accept. Click on start and you'll be able to diagnose and fix the issues experienced with your product, as well as be able to download your driver. Now we might have different steps according to your HP printer device, so you should just follow the steps within this install page right here. And that is how you can basically download and install any HP printer drivers, HP printer software installation guide. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.